If we continue now, another good case to illustrate the application, the present value of annuity is the following case with a retirement plan. You see how on this picture they look happy. Obviously, they have a good plan now to retire using financial formulas that I will teach you now. I hope you will be as happy as they are when you will be at their age. In the next 20 years, you plan to save a yearly amount of 4,000 euros and retire, if possible. If interest rate is 10%, what is the future value of retirement savings? So obviously, we have here the same amount every year. We have the annuities here. We shall calculate the future value. So the usual formula is your cash flows, annual cash flows times 1 divided by R, interest rate, minus 1 divided by R times 1 plus interest rate to the power of the number of the years. So this is the typical present value. But then we need the future value. Once you obtain the present value of different cash flows of the annuities, then you multiply by 1 plus R to the power of T. So this is the formula to get the future value. You remember, present value times 1 plus interest rate to the power of number of the years, you will get the future value. So this looks complex, but the logic behind is very simple. Present value and multiply by 1 plus discount rate, interest rate to the power of T to get the future value. So let's apply it here. 4,000 euros times 1 divided between brackets 1 divided by 10% minus 1 divided by 10% times 1 plus 10% to the power of the number of years, 20 years here. So this is to get the present value. Once you have the present value, you have to compound it to get the future value times 1 plus 10% to the power of 20, and you will get your future value. So this total is 229,100 euros. This seems really as a good deal for them, right? The only big question here is if they will be really able to find a bank or financial institution to give them 10% fixed interest rate over 20 years, which is not very realistic in most of the countries with lower risk.